Good morning. The topic is achievements of mutation breeding with a special reference to Indian works. Achievements of mutation breeding with a special reference to Indian works. Okay, write down. The works related to mutagenesis in India were started in 1930s 1930 and it received considerable attention during 1950s 1950 and 1960s 1960. Full stop. Next paragraph. A total of 219 mutant varieties had been released till 1990 1990, and out of which 116 were in seed propagated crops and 103 are in vegetatively propagated crops. Full stop. Next paragraph. The mutants are released from among the 219 varieties, the highest attention and outputs are in rice in brackets 24 close bracket, and is followed by barley barley in brackets 12 close bracket full stop. Moreover, 8 cotton cotton and 8 groundnut varieties were also released. First of, some of the major findings are NP836, NP capital 836, wheat, WHEAT, Indore 2 cotton, INDORE hyphen 2 hyphen cotton, COTTON, JRO, J capital R capital O capital, JRO 514 and JRO 412 hyphen jute, JUTE in brackets, Corchorus capsularis variety olitorius, Corchorus C capital CORCHORUS capsularis CAPSULARIS variety V capital VAR colon olitorius O capital OLITORIUS close bracket comma Jagannath rice JAGANNATH Jagannath rice and C capital CO 8152 and CO 8153 hyphen sugarcane in brackets Saccharum officinarum S capital SACCHARUM OFFICINARUM close the bracket comma etc. Full stop. Next paragraph. Although the variety N capital P capital NP 836 has been long been replaced by semi-dwarf SEMIDWARF semi-dwarf wheat varieties, changing a single characteristic of an otherwise desirable variety. Next paragraph. Jagannath rice, JAGANNATH, is a gamma ray GAMMA hyphen RAY gamma ray induced semi-dwarf mutant from the tall cultivar cultivar hyphen capital T141. First stop. It has an improved resistance to lodging LODGING, higher yielding ability and is more responsive to fertilizer application than parent variety. Full stop. Next paragraph. The rice variety developed through mutagenesis is CRM hyphen 13 hyphen 324, with a reduced height and days to maturity. First up, next sentence. Prabhavati variety P capital PRA BHA BATI variety of rice is an induced mutant produced by treating with a 0.2% EMS, 0.2% E capital M capital S capital EMS, ethyl methane sulfonate. Full stop. This variety is highly responsive to fertilizer and nitrogen application. Full stop. Next paragraph. The change in chromosome number producing a desirable mutant phenotype is in sugarcane variety CO8152 and it shows 2 chromosomes less than the parent variety. Full stop. Next paragraph. According to an estimate, about 91% of the mutant varieties developed till 1990s, were produced following treatments with physical mutagens, and only about 9.2% were obtained through chemical mutagenesis. Full stop. Next paragraph. It is indicate that the mutant varieties represent improvements in yield, a reduction in height, airliness, increased stress resistance, bolder seed size, improved quality, disease resistance, improved adaptability, etc. First up, next paragraph. So, it is concluded that, in double inverted comma, the proper use of induced mutations in plant breeding has become a profitable approach. Close the inverted comma, full stop. Thank you.